Hi guys, so Magic Eden has basically dropped a massive announcement saying that the Ethereum OGs are gonna get the diamond airdrops too. So, like on the 13th of March, there are going to be another diamond claim which is for the Ethereum OGs. And as you know, the Solana OGs already got their diamond rewards. So, what this basically means that all the chains will be getting the airdrop, which is like if you go to Magic Eden, Ethereum chain, Bitcoin chain, and Solana already got it, and the Polygon chain will get their rewards most probably. So next week is going to be a massive week for Magic Eden. As you know, they are going to drop their Ethereum marketplace. So on 27th of February, they will be dropping the Ethereum marketplace. And this is their trailer video in which you can see Amy and the board devs getting together. And this announcement basically means that there will be a massive support for Magic Eden. And this is not a good news for OpenSea as well, because they haven't dropped anything for their users yet. So if you go to Magic Eden marketplace, and if you go to the Solana section, you can see the rewards are here, and this is the map they have shown, and you can see Solana is shining right here, and you can also see that these are under dark clouds. So basically what it means that that Solana has already got their airdrops. So next, this Ethereum section will be lightened up. So that's on the third month. So let's see how you can claim the rewards. So if you basically go to your Solana section on Magic Eden and press claim diamonds, you could see how much diamonds you have gained. So I have gained like 20,000 diamonds, and it also says you can enjoy a bonus of another 20,000 diamonds if you keep completing the quest on Magic Eden. So if we see the stats, you can see I have traded a total of 5,181 Solana in order to get this airdrop, as well as I have made 491 trades, and I have paid royalties of 38 Solana for the creators, and I have owned 56 collections, and I have owned 381 NFTs in total. So if you close this and go down to this section, you could see you will be getting the rewards, which is the extra 20,000 diamonds from buying, listing, or doing collection offers. So in order to get the rest of the diamonds, you could do this and get the rewards. So let's just see if you get the loyalty score to be 100%, and the diamond bonus will be 200% if you have the loyalty score in a positive manner. So that's something you could have done to make this airdrop even better. So let's just see, as we have 20,560 diamonds, let's just go to Whales Market. Whales Market is the place where you can trade tokens before it gets listed. So if you go to the points market, you can see in Magic Eden section, the Magic Eden points are going for around 0.687, 0.63, 0.0687. Sorry. So let's just multiply it. So if you multiply 20,000 diamonds with $343, you will get like $1,372. So simply what it means is that you can sell the diamonds right now if you want for $1,300. So I'm not gonna do that, because I'm going to keep my faith on Magic Eden, and basically what you are going to get is this token, which is the NFT token. I think they are going to convert your diamonds to this token. So that's what most of the people are speculating. And So these are the things that you could do to maximize your gains. You simply can claim your diamonds, then do these quests, do listings and collection offers. And if you go to Magic Eden and if you check their collections, you can see these collections will earn you more diamonds. So you can trade this stuff and increase your diamonds for this thing. And one more thing I wanted to say. So Magic Eden has already created a wallet. So if you mint this, I'm not sure, but they haven't mentioned anything about that. But keep minting these free NFTs from Magic Eden wallet. Maybe they will be eligible for some diamonds. I'm not sure about that. But if you could do that, you could maximize your gains too. So let's see. On the second month, which is this month, 27th, you could see the Ethereum marketplace launching up, and the board devs will be joining them too. So this is going to be massive for the Ethereum emojis also, as well as Magic Eden. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll see you with another video, and I'll bring you a new update. Thank you.